Today I'll be installing a Davies Craig water pump and controller. So you've got the kit here, which contains the water pump, there's the part number, controller and loom, and then you've got the adapter plate for the water pump, there's the part number, and then you've got the heater return. This is the electric water pump, the looms kit, it's all there. That's the adapter plate for the thermostat. And you've just got some brackets for the controller, mount that wherever you like, some hose clamps, and that's the thermostat. That's the control unit, and just the instructions. Then you have the water pump adapter, which replaces the water pump. And in here you'll have the heater adapter, so that you can connect the heater hose up. You have to change an oil filter from Z30 to the Z160 to fit the water pump. Remove the water pump and fit the new water pump adapter. Then after you can reuse the bottom radiator hose. I've marked it there already where I'm going to cut it and mount it there. And then you have to mark where the water pump's going to sit so that it lines up with the bottom of the radiator. These are the pieces that I've cut off. The hose. I'm going to keep the small piece here, and I don't need this piece here. Now this spring has to be cut and pushed back into the hose just to support it. And here it is, just dummy fitted. I've got no clamps or anything at the moment, but you can see where that small piece of hose from the bottom radiator hose goes on. There's the heater adapter. We've just got to fit the hose underneath the alternator. I've had to buy a new hose because it needed a flared end, which fits onto the adapter. It's bigger than the original heater hose. That's the part number there. Now we have to fit the thermostat into the top radiator hose. It's a quite simple job. Just cut the hose here, a section out of the hose. Then we've got to remove the thermostat. It's no longer needed in this kit. Install the adapter for the thermostat. And plug in the wiring, which I've already done all the wiring. The wiring's sort of in the instructions, so if you want to know how to do all the wiring, I haven't included that in this video. There are wiring diagrams and stuff in the instructions as well. So now it's all up and running. I hope this video has helped. Sorry I couldn't explain the wiring process and diagrams, but all that's pretty self-explanatory. It's all in the book. Here's the control pad with the EWP flashing, which means the pump is now working, and now that the fan's working you can see that turn on too. It also displays the voltage and coolant temperature. Here's the fans running, and thanks for watching.